I didn't even set my watch yet. That's all right. I know how much time we have. Who wants to help me on this one? Man, there are hands up all over the place. Emma, I think I'm going to go with you right now. What should I do first? 96 times 11. Now, let me say something, Emma. You've got a calculator, but I'm not going to use the calculator. I'm going to do it by hand. Times 11. Times 11 is easy. I just move it. It's 96 over 96, 0. Then add them up. 1,056. All right, is that right, Emma? Okay, so Emma says I got 1,056. Now, Emma, what do I do with this 1,056? I cross multiply the two numbers I could and divide it by the one that goes with x. All right, how many times will 32 go into that? I bet you've already done it on the calculator. 33 times? Beautiful. X equals 33. So remember, whenever we are solving proportions, we cross multiply and then divide by the number that didn't have anything to cross multiply with it, right? 11 times 96, then divide by 32, and that tells us what x equals. Nice job. You could also see, Jenna, or you might have seen, 32 times 3 gives me 96. So 11 times 3 gives me 33. You might have seen that. But if you didn't, just cross multiply, divide. It works every time. All right? Okay, let's look at the next one. Oh, here we go. Who wants to do it? Who wants to do it? Bailey. Bailey, what do you want to do here? Bailey says she wants to multiply 7.5 times 4. I know that 4 times 7 is 28, and 4 times a half is 2, and 28 and 2 is what, Bailey? $28 and 2. Not multiplied, added. $30. Nice job, Bailey. All right. Did you say 30 already? I thought you said 56. Okay. 30. Now, what do I do with that 30? Bailey, where do I go with that? I'm going to divide it by 3. And what is 30 divided by 3? 10. Y is equal to 10. Now, Jenna, do you see how the multiplying straight across, it's not as easy in that as it was in the last one, right? Because 3 times what equals 7.5? Well, it's 3 times 2.5 is what it would be, but it's not very clear, right? Jenna, you had your hand up. Yes, ma'am. Tomorrow on the test, will you use a calculator? You will have it available. Okay? All right, but you have to show on the test what problem you did. Okay? You can't just do it and then get a number. You have to show me that you multiplied 4 times 7.5. You have to say 4 times 7.5 is equal to 30. And then 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10. You have to show me what you did on the calculator. Okay? All right, let's look at the next one. I haven't looked at the next one. Oh, here we go. You are taking a trip. Congratulations. We're taking a break from the deli today.
Whoa.
And it says your destination is 330 miles from home. You travel 55 miles in the first hour. At this rate, how long will the car ride be? Okay, well, what is the rate? It says at this rate. What rate? What is the rate? Moreau? 55 miles in 1 hour. Okay? They said at this rate, how long will the car ride be? Well, how many miles am I traveling? How many miles am I trying to travel? Zachary?
330.
330 miles. I put it on the same side of the fraction as the 55. How many hours? Well, how do I do this? How do I do this? Rowan? 330 times 1 gives me 330, and I'm going to divide that by 55, and that gives me 6. So x is equal to 6 hours. That's how long the trip's going to take. Does that make sense? Great job. Let's go to the next one.